So today we're gonna do a walk around of one of my friend's trucks that is for sale right now. So I'm gonna tell you all of the details on it. It is a 2011 2500 Dodge Cummins, and we're gonna go over everything that's done to it and give you all the specs. American Force Edge multi-piece wheel. So we have the polished on the lip, and then the faceplate is the brushed metal, which I really like that look. And then we have these spiked lug nuts as well, and then it is wrapped in 375 Nitto trail wraps. I call them trail wraps. I don't know if people call them that or not, but Nitto trail wrap is what they are. So we have the custom headlights that are paint matched to match the body silver, and then also to match the Jamaican teal powder coat. And then a Boost Bars custom grille. So we've got one side on jack stands because it is getting detailed, but also to show you guys all of the powder coating and the details of the suspension. So the suspension is a 10-inch FTS kit with double reservoir shocks, and the powder coat was done by Breton Creek Customs. It is in Jamaican teal, and then all of the color match accents were done by Cannon's Auto Body. Brakes with 2-inch shifted industry spacers. And we have the airlift helper bags to go along with the B&W gooseneck hitch. And we also have the tow mirror option. Adds 100 horsepower each. So we've got the MagTech diff covers, and then a 4-inch Jammo exhaust that goes to an 8-inch tip that is all polished, and then also the drive shaft is polished. And we've also got the 456 Yukon gears with a True Track differential, and then the custom roll pan here that looks really nice, basic. So we also have the amp steps that help you jump out of this thing. So for the interior, we just have the XLT package, but it's super clean. We do have a center console swap. It doesn't normally come with this one. For the sound system back here, we have 2 10s and a 1000-watt amp, and then all of the door panels are amped as well. We have a built motor with a 475 turbo from Fleece, and then a 2nd-gen swap manifold. And we have forged pistons and forged rods, and then ARP hardware all throughout the motor.
So it's not built. Remember that guy said that?
It ain't fast, so it's not built. Anything else? Tunes we need to list off.
PVI.
So now I'm chilling under here with the PSC hydraulic assist with the steering stabilizer box, and because of that, this truck will turn these tires on a dime.